Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today we're going to make a small but super handy change in Windows 11 that can save you a lot of time. Have you ever wished that File Explorer would open directly to this PC instead of home? Well, you can make that happen, and it's really easy. All right, let's start. First, open File Explorer. At the top, you'll see three horizontal dots. Go ahead and click on them. From the menu that pops up, select Options. Perfect. Here we are in the Folder Options window. Make sure you're on the General tab. Right at the top, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Open File Explorer 2. By default, it's set to Home, but we're going to change that. Click the drop-down and select This PC. Great. Now all that's left is to click OK to save your changes. And just like that, every time you open File Explorer from now on, it will take you straight to this PC. No more extra clicks, just instant access to your drives and folders. It's a tiny tweak, but it makes a real difference in your daily workflow. Thanks for watching this quick tip on Zimist Coded. If you found it useful, make sure to subscribe for more simple and effective tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.